Hello children. Today we are going to see the third chapter of your computer syllabus, that is learn more about paint. Okay, now paint is a simple drawing program. Okay, we use it for coloring so many things. We use it for making greeting cards on the computer, and we use it for many purposes. Okay, now you have already learned some of the basic commands in paint. Now in this chapter we are going to learn some more commands about the paint. Now, as I have said, paint is a simple drawing program. In this chapter you will learn more about paint program. Okay, few more commands you are going to learn. First is edit menu command, second is view menu commands, and third is image menu commands. Now in today's session we will learn only about edit menu commands. Now with the help of edit menu commands, you can cut, copy or paste any part of the drawing that you have created. Okay. Now before cutting, copying or pasting, the first and most important step is that you need to select the part of the drawing. Okay. You have to first select the part of the drawing for which you want to perform your action of cut, copy or paste. Okay, we will see how to use this cut, copy, paste commands in detail. Here I have opened the paint. First you have to draw any drawing. Here from I am selecting here any of the tool to just to show you how to use cut, copy, paste command. Fine, any of the tool you can use. I am using this oval tool. Fine, I am using my left click. I will drag this mouse pointer. Okay, any of the size you can make. Fine, any of the tool you can use to make a drawing your wish. Here I am just showing you the example. Fine, now let us fill it with color. Any color you can choose. Okay, fine. Now I have filled this drawing using my fill with color tool here from this tools section. Okay, then now let us get started. Okay, now for using the cut, copy, paste command, you have to first select the portion of the drawing that you wish to cut. Okay, fine. For that you have to use the select command. After clicking on the select command, you have to click there once. Okay, then drag your mouse pointer using your left click. Hold your left click continuously and drag your mouse pointer to whichever portion you want to cut. Fine, for example I want to cut this portion of my drawing. Okay, now after selecting it, using your right click, when you right click on that portion, here a dialog box appears, a drop down list appears. Okay, now from here you have to use the cut command. Okay, you have to click there once. Fine, after you use that cut command, that portion which you have selected of the drawing is cut. Okay, as you can see on the screen, that portion which I have selected is cut. Fine, to paste that portion, you have to use here paste option is there. Okay, now to cut and paste, we have cut now it is time to paste. Okay, use this paste option and you will see that the portion that you have cut is been pasted. Okay, and you can use this portion to whichever place you want to paste it. Fine, in this way you can use the cut and paste command. Okay, now fine, this was our original drawing. Okay, now you have to use copy and paste command. Okay, if you want to use copy and paste command, similarly first you have to use this select command. Okay, using the select command you have to select the portion that you wish to copy. Okay, now I am clicking there once. and using my mouse pointer and my left click of the mouse, you have to drag the mouse pointer. Okay, how much you want to select, you wish to copy, that much you can select. Okay, for example, I am dragging this mouse pointer till this point. Okay, this much portion I want to copy of this drawing. Now after selecting the portion, just right click on that portion. Okay, and again this drop down list appears. From here you have to use this copy command. Okay, now click on that copy command once, and after clicking that, you can see that the portion which you have copied is not been cut. Okay, that is the difference between cut and paste and copy and paste. Okay, now if you want to paste again, you can click on this paste option which is present over topmost left corner of the screen. Fine. After using the paste command, you can see that the portion which we have selected, we had copied that, and then using our paste option we have pasted here. Okay, and using your left click on that and your mouse pointer, you can drag this portion to anywhere you want. Fine. In this way you can use cut, copy, paste commands of the edit menu. Fine. Now so far we have seen three commands. First is cut, paste and copy. Now to cut or remove any portion of the drawing, we use the cut command, and the portion that is cut from the drawing can be inserted in any other part of the drawing using the paste command. Okay, we can also copy any part of the drawing using the copy command, and you can paste it to any other part of the drawing using the paste command. Okay, fine. Copy command helps us to take a duplicate copy of the selected part of the drawing. Okay, now we can perform these three actions, cut, copy, paste, using keyboard also. There are some keyboard actions that we need to remember just. First is Ctrl+C for the copy command. Then next is Ctrl+V for the paste command. Okay. Now Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, these are the very important keyboard shortcuts. Fine. Now if you know the keyboard shortcuts, then without the help of the mouse you can perform any of the tasks on the computer. Okay, fine. Ctrl+C is used for copy command and Ctrl+V is used for paste command. How to use the cut, copy, paste command. Now we are going to see how to use the undo and repeat command. Undo command is nothing but it is used to reverse the last action performed, and repeat command is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. Fine, you will understand it as you will see it practically. Fine, this is the drawing that I have created already. Now on this, let me perform an action. Any action you can perform, and I am using the action of cut. Fine, for that I have to select the portion using that select option, and using my left click continuously and my mouse pointer, I am selecting this part of the drawing. After selecting this part, I have to right click on that to use the cut command. This list appears on the screen, and from this list I have to use the cut command. Click on that cut command and you can see that the portion is cut. Now I realize that, suppose for example I realize that I have cut the wrong portion of this drawing and I have to reverse my action. Then for that you have to use the undo command. Any of the last action performed, you can reverse it using the undo command. Fine. Now you can see on the screen on the top bar there are three options present there by default. First is used for saving your drawing. Next, beside save option, there is one option of undo. Undo means it reverses the last action performed. Okay, if you click on this blue colored arrow that is slightly inverted towards the left, now if you click there once, you can see that the portion that you have cut is back again. Okay, the action that you have performed last is reversed. Fine. In this way you can use the undo command to reverse the last action. Fine. Now you have to use the repeat command. Repeat command is used for reversing the effect of the undo command. Now you realize that the last action performed was right, was the action that you actually wanted to perform. Then after using the undo command, you can reverse the action of the undo command using the repeat command. Repeat command is nothing but redo option. Fine. Beside this undo command, you will see one arrow of redo or repeat. Okay, if you click on that, you can see that the portion that I have selected earlier has been cut again. Fine. Undo command is used to reverse the effect of the last action, and a repeat command is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. Fine. In this way you can use the undo command and repeat command. Fine. Now we will see how to use the select all command. Okay, five commands we have seen: cut, copy, paste, and undo and repeat command. Fine. Now select all command. Now from this options present over here, there is one select option and there is one drop down arrow present over here on the select option. If you click on that once, a drop down list appears on the screen. Fine. From that you have to select this option of select all. Fine. Now if you click on this select all, you can see that your whole drawing has been selected. Fine. In this way you can use the select all command. And for what purpose select all command is used? It is used to select all the objects in the drawing. If you want to select whole drawing, then you can use the select all command by moving inside the select option. A drop down list appears in the select option, and from that list you have to select the select all command. Fine. Now you can perform whichever action you want on this drawing using the select all command. Fine. So we are done with the 5 commands of the edit menu. First is cut, second is copy, third is paste, fourth is undo command, fifth is repeat command, and one more command we have seen, that is select all command. Fine. Now undo command is used to reverse the last action performed, and repeat command is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. Okay, so this we have seen, and there are 2 keyboard shortcuts. By using that you can perform the undo command and repeat command. You can use that 2 commands using the keyboard. You don't need your mouse. Fine. Now what is the keyboard shortcut for using the undo command? That is Ctrl plus Z, and the keyboard shortcut for using the repeat command is Ctrl plus Y. Now these are the very important keyboard shortcuts. Fine. Using this keyboard shortcuts you can perform your task using keyboard without using your mouse. Now next command we have seen is select all commands. Now select all command is used to select all the objects that is present in the drawing area. Everything will be selected using the select all command. Now one shortcut is there, keyboard shortcut is there for using the select all command, and that is nothing but Ctrl plus A. Fine. Now uh, now let us revise the keyboard shortcuts that we have studied so far. First we have studied about the copy command, and the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl plus C. Then we have studied about the paste command, and the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl plus V. Okay, and then we have studied about the undo command. Undo command keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus Z. Then next is repeat command, repeat or redo command, and the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl plus Y. And then next we have studied the select all command, and the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl plus A. Fine. Now in today's session we have studied about the edit menu commands. In next session we will see about the view menu and also about image view commands. Fine. So I have attached a worksheet with this. You need to solve that worksheet and send it to my email ID. Okay, thank you.